Let's do the experiment of the law of large number. The law of large number states that the larger the sample size, the closer to the truth. What does this mean? Keep in mind that from previous lecture, we know the true population mean is this value. The true population proportion or percentage is this value. I draw 7 sample, draw 7 simple random samples from the population. The sample size increase from 10 to 1,000. That means I randomly draw 10 number from population to pick my sample 1, the sample size 10, and then I randomly draw 20 number from the population to pick my sample 2. Keep going on. I randomly draw 1,000 number from the population to pick my sample 7. The sample size is 1,000. I calculate the mean for every sample. Look at the mean values from sample to sample, but look at the value. The larger the sample size, the closer to the true mean, right? Also, I calculate the proportion. Here, the proportion is the percentages of the tablets fall into the target range. I calculate the percentage. The percentage of every sample is different, but as the sample size increase, the percentage of the proportion get closer to the true proportion. This is the law of large number. This law tells us we can use a sample to predict or to infer the population. If the sample size is big enough, then we will have a pretty close prediction or influence. Okay, let me show you some Excel skills first. How to calculate the sample proportion. You click this cell, and in the formula bar, you can tell the formula I use. Also, how to calculate the mean. You just click this cell, and this is the formula I use. In Excel, you only need to calculate one cell. After you calculate one cell, you just drag over. You can get the, for example, I clean contest, and then I calculate this cell. You just drag over. You can get all the result. The second skill I want to show you how to randomly draw a sample, or how to get a simple random sample using Excel. You click one data point and go to and and go click data, and here data analysis icon appear after you clicked data. If your Excel doesn't show this data analysis icon, you need to install it. How to install it? You click the tool and then go to Excel add-ins and then choose data analysis toolpack and click OK. So, okay, go to data analysis, and then what we want to do is we want to sampling, and then click OK, and then input range. In the dialog box, input range is we want to put all the 2100 number in. You just move the mouse to the left corner, and then when the mouse point to the center, and then we click it. Okay, to input range have labels. I don't think we include the labels, so we don't check it. And then choose random. Number of samples. For example, we want to randomly draw 100 numbers from the population. And then output option, new worksheet, right? Okay, we just click. Oh, we better have a name. There's sample 100. Oh, and then we click OK. Oh, then we got 100 numbers from the population. This is the sample. Okay,